We purchased this car last night from a lovely gentleman, retired business guy. He bought this car brand new from Land Rover in 2017. He's had it from new. It's a 3-litre diesel, Vogue SE, done 15,000 miles. He paid just short of £90,000 for this car. It is exceptional. In relation to specification, on top of it being a Vogue SE, it's got 22-inch diamond turned wheels. It's got electric deployable side steps. It's got electric deployable Towbar. The colour is unique. Don't see many cars, many Vogues in silicon silver, which is a fabulous colour. It's got the contrasting black roof, sun protection privacy glass, and it's only covered 15,000 miles. It's a great car. We're advertising it at £52,990. Look at the condition. The paintwork's beautiful. And it was all purchased from Land Rover, one owner, and it's done 15,000 miles. 3-litre diesel. As we move round, I'm going to show you some features. So the wheels, they're a key option, nearly a £3,000, and they're called diamond turned, diamond cut, 22-inch wheels, silver and grey, beautiful. The Atlas vents have been done colour-coded in silicon silver as well. The deployable side steps on a Vogue, I think, are a great extra. A Vogue in general is a luxury car, luxury four-wheel drive, and I think when they've got them side steps, it just adds to that feel. This car ran out of manufacturer's warranty at the end of 2020. The customers renewed it, so the previous owner, so you'll still benefit from some Land Rover warranty until the start of next year, which again also shows you how the car's been maintained. It's a Vogue SE, so you get great specs, so you get things like soft closed doors. It's all keyless. Look at the interior. So you've got the grand black veneer wood finish, and it's broken up beautifully in a grey and black interior. So you've got grey on the steering wheel. The steering wheel's heated. You've got this stunning leather with a white stitching. The seats are heated. The seats are cooled. It's got the dual view television. So if we get in the car, I'm just going to show you a few things. Everything's with it, you know. So the driver can be driving. You can put the TV on. I will be able to see the navigation, but the passenger can watch the TV with the headphones. I'm just going to start the car. It's done 15,091 miles. Vogue SE, other extras as well. Sliding panoramic sunroof. Again, massive options these on this car. Right, I'm just going to show you. So we've mentioned heat and steering wheel. If we go into our centre section here, with all your navigation, you can see options. So the more of these little boxes, the more spec the car's got. So we've got Apple CarPlay. If we go into our camera, you can see reversing camera, which is standard. But then, if we keep sliding along and go into seats, you can see you've got blue and red, so you've got heated and cooled. Heated rear seats as well. And then deployable side steps. The deployable tow bar can work from the button in the back, but you can press the button in here. So I can press that, and the tow bar, press deploy. That is another unbelievable feature. We're probably a little bit too close to the wall, so that's why it's not coming out, but I'll show you later in the video. Other things. Refrigerator in the centre, there's a little switch for that. All your different cables and everything, just stunning. But look at the condition of the car. Like I said, it's done 15,091 miles. You get an upgraded Meridian surround sound system in the back. Ambient lighting, another option. You can see the highlighted blue there as well. That's throughout the car. You've got rear heated seats, you've got rear electric seats. It's just a great car for the money. £90,000 car, 52,990. In a fantastic colour, one owner from new. It makes all the difference. Split folding tailgate. You can drop all your seats here. You've got the electric tow bar option where you can work it from the back. It's also got a light there as well. Full size 22-inch alloy wheel as a spare. So that car's going to go live on our website now, 52,000 £990. It's an unbelievable colour, one owner, 15,000 miles, massive specification. It's going live now. Give us a call, get it secured, and don't miss it.